the best guide to choosing the best retinol products for your skin. When it comes to achieving radiant, youthful skin, incorporating retinol into your skincare routine can be a game changer. Retinol, a vitamin A derivative, is known for its remarkable anti-aging benefits and ability to improve skin texture. However, with a plethora of retinol products available, selecting the one that fits your skin can be overwhelming. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to find the best retinol for your unique skin needs. Understanding retinol, the magic ingredient for skin rejuvenation. Retinol, often referred to as the gold standard of skin care, does wonders by stimulating collagen production and accelerating cell renewal. This dual-action mechanism leads to smoother, firmer, and younger skin. Whether you're dealing with fine lines, uneven skin tone, or bothersome acne, retinol can be your ultimate ally. Assessing your skin type and concerns. Before diving into the world of retinol, it is crucial to assess your skin type and concerns. Different formulations meet specific needs. For example, sensitive skin, opt for a softer retinol formulation to minimize potential irritation. Acne-prone skin, look for retinol products with salicylic acid to treat both acne and aging. Mature skin, consider a higher concentration of retinol to combat deep wrinkles and fine lines. Navigating the different forces of retinol. Retinol products are available in various strengths, typically displayed as a percentage. Starting with a lower strength and gradually increasing it can help your skin build tolerance. Common forces include 0.25%, 0.5%, and 1% retinol concentrations. If you are new to retinol, start with a lower concentration to prevent potential irritation. Choosing the right formulation, creams, serums, and oils. Retinol comes in different formulations, each with its own texture and benefits. The most common formulations include creams, serums, and oils. Creams, ideal for dry skin, creams provide deep hydration along with the anti-aging benefits of retinol. Serums, light and easy to absorb, serums are great for oily or combination skin. Oils, retinol-infused oils work well to nourish the skin and block moisture. Incorporating retinol into your skin care routine. To maximize the benefits of retinol, proper application is key. Cleaning, start with a gentle cleanser to remove impurities and create a clean screen for retinol. Apply retinol, take an amount the size of a retinol pea and apply it evenly to your face. Avoid the eye area. Moisturize, follow with a moisturizer to prevent dryness and maintain the skin barrier. Sun protection, as retinol can increase skin sensitivity to the sun, apply sunscreen daily. Transition and patience, the retinol journey. Transitioning to a retinol routine requires patience. Start by using retinol once or twice a week and gradually increase the frequency. It is common to experience some initial dryness, redness, or peeling. However, these side effects often decrease as your skin adapts. Consistency is key to seeing visible improvements. Unlocking young skin, the final verdict. In the field of skin care, retinol is a remarkable ingredient that can actually transform your skin. By understanding your skin type, choosing the appropriate strength and formulation, and embracing a gradual approach, you can unlock the full potential of retinol. Remember, the journey to young skin is a marathon, not a sprint. With perseverance and the right retinol product, your skin will thank you for the radiant glow you've always dreamed of. Embrace the power of retinol and let the timeless beauty of your skin shine. Selecting the best retinol product for your skin requires careful consideration of your skin type, concerns, and the specific benefits that each formulation offers. Whether you're targeting wrinkles, fine lines, acne, or uneven tone, retinol has the potential to revitalize your skin. Remember, a well-crafted skin care routine, along with patience and diligence, can lead to the bright, youthful skin you desire. Remember, if you want to support me in creating the most valuable content, you can do it here. Your support means a lot to me as I continue to share ideas and guidance for your skincare journey.